How does it all work? Trains have a multi-layer, fail-safe design that doesn't give the right for error. Trains run on wheels. Rubber tires are less uncomfortable than steel wheels because they generate less noise and vibration. They are able to climb steep slopes and provide a comfortable ride for passengers without bumps. For the trains of the new transit system, rubber tires were chosen, which easily overcome the incline of the Rainbow Bridge and are suitable for new development on the Tokyo City waterfront. What are the pros of using the monorail in Tokyo? Low noise level and a system that produces little exhaust gas. Trains can easily run on rails with sharp bends or steep inclines. Since the road is raised above the street, it can reduce land use costs. Small light passenger cars reduce infrastructure construction costs. Timely service with short intervals between trains is possible through the computer-controlled system. The computer-controlled unmanned system allows you to offer a flexible service that easily allows for additional around-the-clock operation. The city won't be able to adequately provide additional services on manually operated trains. When the number of passengers suddenly increases, for example round-the-clock service on New Year's Eve, without drivers, unmanned trains can easily provide additional transport services at any time if the carriages are ready. Trains can run on exact timetables and passengers can travel without long waiting times even during busy periods. The monitoring system at the station and at the command center displays an alarm if a malfunction occurs in ticket vending machines, entrance gates, elevators or escalators. So guys, Tokyo is really fantastic. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.